Hello friends, today we are going to uh, learn how to create a PPT content using AI. There are lots of AI available in the market. The one of them is ChatGPT. From using ChatGPT, you can generate a multiple content by typing just one line of content. So another is Copilot, which is available free in a new laptops. It is from the Microsoft. You can also create and generate the content using Copilot. So today we are going to learn how to create a PPT content easily. So first of all, this is a very lengthy process. When you are going to the AI tool and write that generate content on specific topics, for example WordPress introduction. So it will provide multiple content, and we need to we need to sort it. So we write that create ppt for topic WordPress introduction. Now it will provide different type of that slide 1, slide 2. So you need to copy this content to the PowerPoint presentation, and it is very lengthy process. Either we copy this content and paste to the PowerPoint presentation, but we cannot get the actual PPT that we want to create and design. So currently, I am uh, trying to say that if we want to create this type of graphical content and generate the PPT using AI, we have this option like add-ins. In this add-ins option, there is lots of AI available. This is a chat gpt. You can also use the copilot if the option is here available. I am just simply click on this add-in and add the chat gpt for the generating the content. So here is the one window available. We can create a slides from the topic. We can create slides from the text. Even we can create the slides from the YouTube video. So we going to create the topic like WordPress introduction. So it will number of slides कितना चाहिए उसको सिलेक्ट करना है. So I want only three slides for this topic. So I'll select the number three and continue. This is three slides. It will get it. Key features, getting started, WordPress introduction, etc. So if you want to add the slide, you can click on this thing, add slide. But I want only three slides, so I click on continue. Now it will provide number of very much options for the design purpose. This is the preview of the design. You can select any of the design of the PPT. It will automatically generate images. You don't need to go to the Google and search for the images. It will automatically create the images for you. So select any of template you want. So I am selecting this one. This is the like old version and official. This is also good. So I'm selecting this and click on continue. So this is generating the content. I have written only one topic, and it will generate the slides. See, my three slides for the WordPress introduction is created. Just like that, you can create the whole PPT in a minimum of 10 to 15 minutes by writing the topics. And if you have video on particular topic, you can also generate from the video. This is the key features. See, this is the images. I don't need to go to Google and search the images manually. It will beautifully create my slides, and it is very interactive. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you don't like, and comment the channel. Do like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much for watching this video.